process of installing riprap begins with a permit application and obtaining a permit for the project. Once a permit's been obtained, the next step is to bring in the equipment and the rock and get down to the lake shore and preparing the installation of the tow. The tow boulder is the lowest rock that goes in at the very bottom of the riprap, so it'll be the furthest out into the lake. You install that tow boulder, and then once that's installed, you'll lay in a geotextile fabric and or a filter rock. Some communities want a geotextile fabric, some communities want a filter rock, and some communities want both. So depending on the project, you'll install that, begin installing that geotextile and that filter rock behind the tow boulder, and from there you'll start placing the rocks on at the bank until you get to the desired elevation for the top of the riprap, while continuing to install the stuff underneath, the geotextile and the filter rock. Once you've reached the top level, you'll be capping off that area behind the wall with some soil and reestablishing some turf or whatever ground covers in that area. And then the project's complete, and if it's been installed properly, which is what we always do, it'll last you a very, very long time.